Construction Fundamentals. 1. Introduction to the construction industry. The construction industry is a vital sector of the economy responsible for planning, designing, building, maintaining, and demolishing structures and infrastructure. It transforms ideas and designs into physical reality. Importance of the construction industry. Provides shelter, infrastructure, and utilities. Creates employment opportunities. Drives economic growth and development. Supports other industries, manufacturing, transport, energy. Key characteristics. Project-based and temporary in nature. Involves multiple stakeholders. Highly regulated. Requires coordination of labor, materials, equipment, and finance. 2. Types of construction projects. Construction projects are categorized based on their purpose and function. A. Residential construction. Single-family houses. Apartments and condominiums. Villas and housing estates. Focus. Comfort, safety, and aesthetics. B. Commercial construction. Offices. Shopping malls. Hotels. Schools and hospitals. Focus. Functionality, capacity, and durability. C. Industrial construction. Factories. Power plants. Refineries. Warehouses. Focus. Heavy-duty structures and specialized systems.
D. Infraestructura civil construcción.
Roads and highways. Bridges.
Dams.
Airports. Water and sewer systems. Focus. Public use and long-term performance. 3. Roles of construction professionals. Construction is a collaborative effort involving many professionals. Key roles. Client/owner. Finances the project and defines requirements. Architect. Designs buildings and ensures functionality and aesthetics. Structural engineer. Ensures structural safety and stability. Civil engineer. Handles site works, roads, drainage, and infrastructure. Quantity surveyor. Cost estimation, budgeting, and financial control. Project manager. Planning, coordination, scheduling, and control. Contractor. Executes construction work. Site supervisor/foreman. Manages daily site activities. Safety officer. Ensures compliance with safety regulations. 4. Construction terminology and symbols. Construction terminology. Common terms used to communicate efficiently on site. Footing. Base of a structure transferring load to soil. Beam. Horizontal structural member. Column. Vertical load-bearing member. Slab. Flat horizontal surface. Lintel. Support above doors/windows. Plinth. Portion between ground and floor level. Construction symbols. Symbols are standardized graphical representations used in drawings. Door and window symbols. Electrical symbols, switches, sockets. Plumbing symbols, valves, pipes. Material symbols, concrete, brick, steel. 5. Construction drawings overview. Construction drawings are visual documents used to guide construction. Types of drawings. Architectural drawings, plans, elevations, sections. Structural drawings, foundations, beams, columns, reinforcements. Electrical drawings, lighting, power layouts. Plumbing drawings, water supply and drainage. Mechanical drawings, HVAC systems. Purpose. Communicate design intent. Provide measurements and specifications. Serve as legal documents. 6. Site investigation basics. Site investigation is the process of examining site conditions before construction. Objectives. Determine soil properties. Identify groundwater level. Assess load-bearing capacity. Detect potential risks. Methods. Visual inspection. Trial pits. Boreholes. Soil sampling and testing. 7. Soil types in construction. Soil properties directly affect foundation design. Major soil types. Clay, high water retention, low permeability, prone to swelling. Sand, good drainage, moderate load-bearing capacity. Gravel, excellent load-bearing capacity. Silt, poor drainage, unstable when wet. Rock, best foundation material. Soil considerations. Bearing capacity.
Settlement.
shrinkage and swelling. Drainage properties. 8. Construction materials overview. Materials determine the strength, durability, and appearance of structures. Common construction materials. Concrete, versatile, strong in compression. Steel, high tensile strength. Bricks and blocks, masonry units. Timber, lightweight and flexible. Glass, transparency and aesthetics. Bitumen, waterproofing and road works. Material selection factors.
Strength.
Durability.
Cost.
Availability. Environmental impact. 9. Construction tools and equipment. Hand tools. Hammer. Trowel. Tape measure. Spirit level.
Spade.
Power tools. Drilling machines. Concrete mixers. Vibrators.
Cutters.
Heavy equipment. Excavators. Bulldozers. Cranes. Dump trucks. Rollers. 10. Temporary works. Temporary works are structures used during construction but removed afterward. Examples: scaffolding, formwork, shoring, temporary supports, access platforms. Purpose: ensure worker safety, support permanent works, facilitate construction processes. 11. Construction safety principles. Safety is a fundamental responsibility in construction. Basic safety principles: hazard identification, risk assessment,
Accident prévention.
safe work procedures, emergency preparedness, common hazards, falls from height, electrical shocks,
Falling objects.
equipment accidents, excavation collapse. 12. Personal protective equipment, PPE. PPE protects workers from hazards.
Types of PPE.
Helmet, head protection. Safety boots, foot protection. Gloves, hand protection. Safety goggles, eye protection. Earplugs, hearing protection. Reflective vests. Respirators and masks. Importance: reduces injury severity. Mandatory under safety laws. Enhances safety culture. 13. Construction codes and standards. Codes and standards regulate construction practices. Purpose: ensure safety and quality. Protect public health. Maintain uniformity. Examples: building codes, fire safety regulations, structural design standards, environmental regulations, occupational safety laws. 14. Construction project life cycle. A construction project follows a defined sequence. Stages: concept and feasibility, design and planning, tendering and procurement, construction, testing and commissioning, handover, operation and maintenance, demolition, end of life. 15. Ethical practices in construction. Ethics guide professional conduct in construction. Key ethical principles: honesty and transparency, fair competition, quality workmanship, safety compliance, environmental responsibility, respect for contracts and laws. Unethical practices to avoid: corruption and bribery, use of substandard materials, falsifying records, ignoring safety standards. Summary: construction fundamentals provide the foundation for all construction knowledge, combining technical understanding, safety awareness, professional responsibility, and ethical conduct.